Okay, so I got my square. And like I said, we're only doing one square right now. It's easier to be simple. And you can see I've got this edge of my ruler lined up with this dot, the vanishing point. Everything basically vanishes at that point, which is why they call it that. Now it's really, really, really important that the lines that come from here, here, and here are going to go from here directly to here. Now this is tricky because this part you really, really, really don't want to draw it too dark because most of this stuff is actually going to be erased. So draw these lines as lightly as you can. Hang on. Okay, so I got one there. You can see I'm going to make another one. Mom, will you hold this camera for a second?
Sure will.
I'm going to have my mom help me.
Here's our babe.
Thanks.
Put the trash in there. I was on a previous
Okay,
job.
gotta hold it just like that over the paper.
Over the paper. Got it.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line now from here to here. And I'm going to do it from over here. Even though that's a very, very small amount of space, it's really, really important that it'll ruin the whole illusion if we don't do that one. Now, I think a lot of people are wondering, oh, what about this one? Here's the thing. This box isn't transparent. You can't see through it. If you could see through it, there'd be a line back here. But it's not. It's supposed to be a solid box. So that means you're off the hook for that line. Okay? Now, next. We got to end this box. It's not an infinite box. It's a, one single box. So this line, I told you, there's really only two lines in here. There's lines that go away from us, and then there's these vertical lines. Wherever you want to end your box, you've got to draw a straight line that is parallel to this line. It's got to be parallel to this line. This is where most people go wrong. I've seen all kinds of versions of this and this. This line has to be straight and parallel with this line. Okay, so let me show you. We're just gonna go like this, and it doesn't even matter where it is. It's up to you how big you want your box to be. And this is gonna be even trickier. The line here has to be parallel to this line. Not like this, not like that. It has to be absolutely parallel to this line, and it has to touch this line at a 90-degree angle. So I'm gonna make another one right here. Now, you can send me a picture of what you got so far and see if you got it or not. Some people have a really hard time seeing what I'm talking about here, so we might have to work through it. And then you're gonna erase the extra stuff so the box ends.
I just got the yellow thing, not the red thing.
Okay, and now we have one box. So you can see I got rid of those extra lines. This top, thank you, Mom. Right here should be parallel with this line, and this line should be parallel with this line. And even though that sounds really simple, you're gonna find that it's very, very easy to draw the finishing lines incorrectly, which is why there's this slide right here. Now on this one, they have also drawn these two lines, this one and this one. Those are interior lines. And like I said, in my drawing, the box is not transparent. It's not see-through. So I'm not drawing any of the lines that would be, that would be covered up by the solidness of the box. Now, this is incorrect. These lines here, see this line right here? And this line right here, they're not exactly parallel, which makes it look wonky. This line, definitely not parallel with this line. There should be only two kinds of lines. Lines that go away from us to the vanishing point, and lines that are perfectly vertical or horizontal. That's it. No other kinds of lines. Now, next, we're going to try to do more boxes. And like I said, this is just a warm-up. We're doing a final project that's going to involve real objects. So we've got to work on these boxes to get the real objects right. Okay, let's see. Hang on. Going down, going down. Okay. So what I want you to do now is add a couple others. It doesn't need to look exactly like this, but I do want to have one box that's under the vanishing point, under the horizon line, which we already did that. I want one box that's right here on the horizon line and one that's above it, so that we can see all the different things that happen when we have these circumstances. So next video, I'm going to go ahead and draw the other two boxes, and then we'll go ahead and connect them.